Ever heard your pup make a sound that's just weird? Well, you're not alone. Dogs have a language all their own, and some of those noises can be pretty puzzling. First off, those goofy reverse sneezes you hear. Yup, that's a real thing. It's usually just a tickle in their throat, nothing to stress about. Then there's the classic playbow noise, more of a gruffle, really. A signal they want to play, so get ready for some fun. How about the infamous woo-woo sound? It's their way of showing excitement, especially when you come home. Isn't it adorable? Dogs can also make a chuckling sound. It's strange, but they often do this when they're super happy. It's their way of saying, "Life's great." And finally, that low growl. It's not always a threat. Sometimes it's just them expressing comfort while relaxing or playing. So isn't it neat how these quirky sounds reveal what your furry friend is feeling? Let me know if your dog makes any of these noises. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun dog facts.